Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this feature on TikTok to get ideas for your next TikTok videos. So here, if you are a TikTok creator and you got stuck on what you need to create next for your videos, I'm going to show you how you can get inspired. First, open your TikTok apps on your phone and go to your profile. Now click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and go to the TikTok Studio. So click on this. And if you scroll down on the TikTok Studio, there is this section, Creator Creation Inspiration. So TikTok will provide you with some of inspiration based on your the videos that you created or your needs. Here you can just watch the inspiration in here. You can use the recommended, similar posts, followers, views, or similar creators, or you can also use the trending category in here to see what is on trending on TikTok. So you can just watch one of this video, then create your own based on that inspiration. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.